We'll guide you through how to fix audio stuttering in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and disrupt your listening experience. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done, whether it's headphones or a speaker. Press the Windows Start button, go up and press Settings. Go to the left and find Bluetooth and devices and find the device. First of all, press the three dots in the top right and press Remove It. Then we're going to go and press Add Device again, and you want to go and repair it. So I'm going to go and do that now. Go and see if repairing it goes and solves the problem. If it still stutters, come over to the left and press System, go down and press Sound. Scroll all the way down to More Sound Settings at the bottom and click there. In here, in Playback, you need to go and find your speakers and double click. Go and press Enhancements at the top and select Disable All Enhancements and press Apply in the bottom right and press OK. Now you can try playing and see if it's better. If it still isn't, you need to come over to the left and press Bluetooth and devices. Come down and click devices, and then you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find more devices and printer settings. Scroll down, find your speaker or headphones, double click on it, press services and wait. Unselect remotely controllable device and press apply. Press OK, and hopefully that then solves it.